I'm so sorry. Accidentally we turn off the movie, so our movie's done. But let's keep going on to the woods. That was our other video.
Mas faster ni mo wala ka do.
What, Mom?
You're so fast. Just.
But is it on?
Yes, it is.
There's a stick that you can pick up.
No, tomorrow now we're gonna bring a bucket, okay?
Why?
Because
Why?
we don't have a bucket. I gotta hold the phone for you, for your video, and then my other hand has sticks on it.
Let's just go in here. This is what I thought was a turtle. Yeah.
Oh.
What?
Oh, I thought it was a blueberry. Come on.
What? Oh! Look! Look!
What?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
What?
There's a big bug! Oh!
Uy! Saba! Lakaw na. It's on! Come on! Go walk!
Nightmare. I just saw the big giant lanyaki. Oh, startling! By that thing. Whatever that was. Yeah. Oh, look at that type of woods. I don't want to see anything ever again. Yeah. I don't want to see anything. Like a little hard, like a big giant long roly poly. Oh my gosh. Whew. Usually up a lot. Is that ditch?
No.
It looks exactly like a ditch. Should I do it now? Hi everyone, this is the secret place of the woods. We're almost home, and this is what I always going to beat my mom. It's really easy.
There's a lot of mosquitoes.
There's a lot of stuff in here. I always like going down this.
Oh, something. Oh, there's a frog.
Where? Where, Mom?
There.
I cannot see it.
Oh!
Where is it now?
Awak na ning dagan na.
Where is it now? Can you see it?
There. I can hear it.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Think I can see it. Oh, that's just a leaf.
It's gone now.
Just look over
It's
here.
gone now. Oh, don't, you might step on it.
No, don't worry.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Sure.
Hey.
Let's get out. Wait, is it on? No. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is all one that we have for today. Bye. I'm trying to look up this. Subscribe and thumbs up. 2. Done.